I am Aubrey Esmeralda Albiz from Railway International Team Elite Bravo. Let's be the change we wish to see in the world. Our only one health product is for J or Alive Stem Cells. It is reversing aging, cell repair, and one product for all our body damage, and it is one-time treatment. Now, in the seventh edition, it added five clinically proven patented ingredients from cervicenta of the female deer. So we have to wait for the deer to give birth and get the cervicenta. And then from the 2 to 3 slices of the antler of the male deer, which is the velvicenta. With the combination of these two live stem cells inside the capsule, it regenerates new cells inside the body. So making a whole body, different organs healthy and young again. With the Engensin, this is an ingredient owned by the company itself, and so our CEO named it in ginseng. That is a kind of ginseng that grows only in the volcanic soil of New Zealand, and it is a brain food. So this is best for ADHD, children globally delayed, dementia, Alzheimer's. And another ingredient is axartone. It is from the family of mushroom, very precious during the dynasty times. It controls the aging of our organs. So it means our remain healthy and young. And then the nucleoclavem, it is a white strawberry. It is known as a cancer terminator. It is like having a natural antibiotic, natural pain reliever, and this is anti-inflammation, so best for tumors and cysts. This and ginseng and nucleoclavem are known as the cancer terminator. In one capsule, there are 14 ingredients, and one and another is the brown seaweed, which is known in Japan as used to terminate cancer cells for all or any kind of cancer that the people having. So it has also 100 apple polyphenol or apple extract. So you don't need to worry if your whole family is taking food supplement or vitamins for the day. And of course, the collagen. So you don't need to buy collagen separately. So this is 14 ingredients in one capsule. And the company invested billions for the modern technologies so that the capsule or the product is best even for pregnant women, babies, and the oldest person on the house. Although you are taking a handful of medicines, synthetic drugs, this product will not complicate in or having a treatment, it will not complicate. And in one capsule, we get the highest supplement that our body needs, prevention from passing from one generation to another generation of hereditary diseases. It lowers creatinine, high creatinine or high blood pressure or sugar. It also protects from virus and bacteria. It repairs not only 10 of our body damage, but all of our body damage. It detox us every day and helps us recover from any health problem. And since it is live, it regenerates new cells. Now, my dream referrals are alternative doctors, dietitians, pediatricians, salon and spa owners, family and friends in the Philippines and abroad. And those who maybe you know someone who want to franchise in our company, it is a daily income payout, international business franchise. Income starts from 10% to 70%, transferable accounts, travel incentives, long-term support business, free trainings and seminars, plus um, Singapore dollar income. So our product also is considered as high-risk food products of the FDA because it has live stem cell inside the capsule. So one product for all, and it is only a one-time treatment. Thank you.